mechanics of it. Then you have, it comes with a grill, you've got your baking stone and the steamer, and this all comes with the purchase, okay? You get all of this, and I'll explain at the end how you get these. So the first thing I want you to look at, on the bottom here, there are some little legs here, and what that does is it connects directly onto the slide glide rack, all right? And then you're gonna see this is the plug that goes into the back of the oven, and that's what makes the connection and starts, you know, to turn it on to engage all of these. This fits on, this aligns perfectly with the element. And what is something, I'll start over here.